Happy Sunday and a very warm welcome to my channel. In today's recipe, we are going local with an authentic Ghanaian dish, and I'm excited to share with you how I made this delicious and easy Ghana fish light soup. It's one of the simplest soups to prepare, but packed with lots of flavor. So sit back, relax, and then let's dive into how it was made. Thank you. So I'll start by adding some medium-sized onion, garlic, ginger, star Aniseeds, and then some scallions, and I'll give it a blend. All ingredients used will be displayed on screen or the description, so do check. So because it's a fish light soup, I marinated the fish 2 hours before I even started with the soup. And I'm using tilapia for this recipe. So I'll just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the ginger garlic mix I just blended, and with the seasoning I added all-purpose seasoning, fish seasoning, and then some herbs. You can use your preferred seasoning, that's okay. And with a clean hand, I'll just massage the fish very well, especially the fish head. So make sure you marinate all parts. And when I'm done, I'll just cover and put in a fridge. So if you're here and then still watching, thank you so much. I truly appreciate. Please do not forget to like, share, and then subscribe. I truly appreciate. So this is the outcome. In a pot, I'll add some turkey berries, pepper, and then some water, and I'll put to a boil. This will last for about 5 to 8 minutes. And after 8 minutes on fire, our pepper is thoroughly cooked, so I'll just set aside. These are the ingredients I'll be using for the soup. In a different pot, I'll add some salted beef, roasted goat's meat, salted dry tilapia, that's Kobe, some herrings, and then dry fish. So I'll be using this as my base for the soup. I'll proceed and add some diced onion, and I'll just add 2 tablespoons of the onion mix I blended earlier, and I'll just add some badia complete seasoning and some shrimp tablet. You don't need too much seasoning when making this soup. When I'm done, I'll just add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, add some water, and then I'll cover it to boil. So after about 10 minutes, I checked and added additional amount of water so it can release its own juice and flavor. And I face some pesa and huchi. So when I'm done, I'll just cover and I'll allow it to cook on medium heat. I then proceeded and blended the pepper mix I boiled earlier, and I added it back to the soup. So our base for the soup has been on fire for 20 minutes maximum, and because it's not meat and it's fish, you don't need to cook it too much because I'm no anything biasa. So I filled the blender with water before adding it to the soup, and as you can see, I used a strainer. Yeah. When I'm done, I'll just stir for a while, and then I'll add some fresh tomatoes, and I also added some onion and some prekese. And like I always say in my soup videos, we're now the and we're so share. So the soup has been on fire for 30 to 35 minutes, and I just removed the onion and tomatoes to blend. And after blending, I'll just add it back to the soup. If you've watched till this point, then I'll presume you love what I'm doing. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all socials. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and then on Facebook. After adding my blended onion and tomato mix, I then added my tilapia, and I'm sure you're wondering why I didn't add it early. Well, this is because fish tend to be very soft and it's also very easy to cook, so I always prefer adding it at this stage. I also added extra dry fish and I allowed this to cook for 15 minutes before adding my papushito. I also tasted for salt and added just a pinch of it, and I allowed this to simmer through, and voila, we are done. It's so easy to make and follow, but trust me, na aya kamapa, and they all enjoyed it. And of course, I topped it up with some fufu. Thank you so much for taking time to watch till the very end. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, then please do not forget to like, share, and then subscribe. I truly appreciate it. And if you tried this recipe, please do not forget to leave a feedback on Instagram, TikTok, or on Facebook. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.